Well, I was doing really good on my bicycle ride. I get here and I look at my watch and it's and it stopped. It's not working. It showed I only went 8 miles. So I had to discard that, start another session. So it'll be on the way back. My backup has a fit file that I can utilize. Well, I wish you'd look at that. I hope you can see it. Add to it. Oh, look at that Mustang. Yeah, come on, get. Well, I heard it from all the way over here. All right, so needless to say, I think my average speed on my backup was 14.9 miles an hour average. So if I maintain a good pace back, it'll be all right. But yeah, every now and then this watch does that. Ain't got nothing else to say.